Okay, so now we are going to have to figure out how to measure intervals from one note to the next. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this tutorial on musictheory.net, which basically shows us how many half steps it is from one interval to another in a major scale. And if we know this, then we can start to figure out other intervals. So what we'll start with, we'll think in the key of C, and we'll think of major second. So a major second above C is 2 half steps away. So notice here we have 1, 2 half steps, so a major second above C is D. A major second, therefore, above E, we would go up 1, 2 half steps, would be F sharp. Just think the generic second would be F, and then here we touch this key in the keyboard, it's F sharp. Let's look at a major third. How many half steps is it to get from get to a major third above a note? It is 4 half steps. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your 4 half steps. From C to E is a major third. So another example, if I said what is a major third above E, we'd go up 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps. E to G sharp. That's a major third. And that's what it looks like on the staff. A perfect fourth, as it says here, is made up of 5 half steps. So if I started on C and I went up 5 half steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would be on F. And that's a perfect fourth. So as you see here, that's what a perfect fourth looks like on the staff, 5 half steps away from the note below it. If we started on F and we want to know a perfect fourth above it, we would again count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half steps. And there you go. We have a fifth, a sixth, and a seventh, and an octave left. So let's look at a fifth. To get a perfect fifth, it says here it's made up of 7 half steps. So if I started on C and I counted 7 half steps, I would land on G, and that's a perfect fifth on the piano here and a perfect fifth on the staff here. If I started on B and I wanted to find out what a perfect fifth is, I would again go up 7 half steps. So the basic gist of finding the distance is knowing how many half steps it is from one interval to another. So let's look at sixth. It says here it's made of 9 half steps. And then you can see the process here. We go up 9 half steps. We pick another note, go up 9 half steps. That's another major sixth. And then a major seventh is made up of 11 half steps. So now you notice we went up 11 half steps and see it's from C to B. We pick another note, D. We go up 11 half steps. We're on C sharp. There's another major seventh. And then finally, a perfect eighth or perfect octave is 12 half steps. So from C to C is 12 half steps. If we picked another note, it would be the same deal. So the question now becomes, how do I memorize how many half steps the major and perfect intervals are from each other? That's for the next video.